Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to review and edit your purchase orders for your production facility or supplier. Let's assume your login type is location user. Once you log in, you'll be in your store. If you have multiple stores, you select relocate at the top to switch to the store that you want to work in. If your account is set up with workflows, you can select the Review Purchase Order tab and you'll be directed to the correct place to review and edit your purchase orders. And you'll also have directions to follow. I'm going to assume that you don't have workflows and show you how to use your Activities menu. So go ahead and select Activities, select Orders, and you'll default at View Orders. Be sure Purchase Orders are selected. You can view any of your orders by selecting them, but you can only make adjustments to the green or the open orders. You're always going to review tomorrow's order, and in this case that would be 9/7, and you can review any other green orders that you want to make adjustments to. Note that if you want to make permanent changes to your orders, you can change your order template. We'll cover this in another video. Let's go ahead and review tomorrow's purchase order, the 9/7 purchase order. Select that. You can add products that are not on your order, remove products, or increase or decrease quantities that are on order. Let's go ahead and start with adding a product to your order. We're going to go ahead and select plus add, right here, plus add, and you're going to want to make sure your catalog is your production catalog. And from your production catalog, select the product that you want to add. Let's say we're going to add the poppy seed bagel. So just go ahead and select the poppy seed bagel from the production catalog, select products. Okay. And in the starting order box, you see that that has been brought up because there was no starting order. There's no adjustment to be made. We're adding this. And let's go ahead and add what we want. And we're going to say we're going to put 10 poppy seed bagels on this order. Okay, so in the starting order, enter the number 10 and save changes. Okay, you now see you've got 10 on your starting order, 10 on your units ordered. So you know you've got 10 poppy seed bagels ordered. Now let's go ahead and remove a product from your order. Check the box next to the product or products that you want to remove completely from your order. Let's say we're going to remove just the chocolate chip muffin. So we're going to select the box next to the chocolate chip muffin, select X remove. You see it brings up the red bar, which tells you you're in a removing state. Whenever you see that red bar anywhere in Supplyit, you know you're removing. Okay, and go ahead and save changes. And now you see we no longer have the chocolate chip muffin. Okay. More often than not, you will be adjusting quantities for products already on your orders. To do this, in the order, select Edit Adjustments. Just a side note, we talked about edit corrections in the video entering credit requests. Adjustments are made to green orders to increase or decrease order quantities, and corrections are made to yellow orders to request credits for damaged or undelivered products. So we're in the green order, and you can see that the adjustment column has been brought up. And this is where you will enter increases or decreases to your starting order. Increases are positive numbers and decreases are negative numbers. It's really important to make your adjustments in the customer adjustment column and not the starting order column. We want to keep the starting order column intact. We don't want to override that number. This is so that we can report on orders with adjustments and so that we can track changes made to an order. So let's go ahead and do an example and make an adjustment to, let's say, the orange pineapple ring. Okay, you can see in our starting order, we have 20. Okay, we don't want to impact that number, but we want to order 50. So we need to have a positive 30 added in the customer adjustment. So you don't need to put the positive. You only need to put the negative sign. If you're positive, just enter the number. So go ahead in the customer adjustment, Enter the number 30 because we want a total of 50 and save changes. Go ahead and check to make sure everything looks okay by looking at the units ordered column, and these will total. So your starting order is 20 plus the 30 that you're adding. So there's the 50 orange pineapple rings that you want on order. And now let's look at the Boston cream donuts. We have 50, okay? Let's go ahead and assume we only want 25 for this day. So once again, we're going to select the Edit Adjustments box to bring up the Customer Adjustment column. And in the Boston cream, we only want 25, so we need to make a negative 25 adjustment because 50 minus 25 will be 25. And we're going to hit Save Changes, and we're going to confirm in our units ordered column that in fact we have 25 on order. You can add, remove, or make increases and decreases for multiple products at a time. Just be sure to save changes when you are done, and always check your work to confirm your units ordered are correct. Let me just point out one more thing, one more column, the supplier adjustment. That would be your supplier or your production facility. Here's where supplier rules kick in. For example, the blueberry muffin. Your starting order is 5, but your units ordered is 10. That's because your supplier has a rule that says for all muffins, you must order a minimum of 10. So your starting order is 5, but the rule adds another 5 in the supplier adjustment column for total units ordered of 10. If you find that after you've made adjustments, your math isn't adding up, check the supplier adjustment column. Chances are there is a rule that is adding or removing product. We've covered how to review and edit your purchase orders for your production facility or supplier. Thanks for listening.